To inspect and replace the spark plugs on your Polaris Titan, follow these steps. Park the sled on a flat, level surface. Remove both side panels by releasing the rubber strap and turning the 2 quarter-turn latches. Pull the panels out and lift up to remove. Next, disconnect the 2 hood latches. Lift up the hood slightly to gain access to the connector underneath. Disconnect the connector and remove the hood from the sled. Next, remove the 2 fasteners securing the load center bracket to the sled. Then, carefully move the load center out of the way to gain access to the spark plugs. Next, remove both spark plug leads. Then clean the area around the spark plug to prevent debris from falling into the engine. Next, loosen the 2 spark plugs and remove from the vehicle. Inspect the electrodes and insulators for wear and carbon buildup. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion on the electrodes. Also, inspect and adjust the spark plug gap if necessary. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Severe engine damage may occur if the incorrect spark plug is used. Continue by installing the spark plugs into the engine and torque to specification. Reinstall the spark plug leads and ensure they are secure. Realign the load center brackets and reinstall the 2 fasteners. Torque the fasteners to specification. Next, reinstall the hood panel, ensuring the tabs in front are properly engaged. Then, reconnect the connector underneath and verify it is secure. Continue by securing the 2 hood panel latches. Then, reinstall both side panels by aligning the tabs at the bottom and top. Secure the rubber strap and the 2 quarter-turn latches. Finally, start the engine to verify proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.